Today we are at HKK Bionics in Ulm, Germany, a very interesting startup with high potential in the medical field. Dominic, thanks for your time. We brought some coffee and some time to talk about your product, your projects and 3D printing. Tell us something about your company.
My name is Dominic Hepp. I'm a CEO and co-founder at HKK Bionics. We are a medical startup founded in 2017 and developing an active hand orthosis for people with paralyzed hands. So it's like a motorized glove with a splint a patient can wear, and he regains grasp function with this product.
You're creating a product that's helping people in their everyday life.
Yes.
And how did you come to develop this product?
Still in high school, I was involved in a car accident, and after that I was forced to the wheelchair for several months and wasn't able to use my hands at this time. So after this accident I started studying medical engineering, and while studying the idea for this product came up.
How did the collaboration with DyeMansion start?
We've always been looking for a kind of technology for surface finish of rapid prototyping or 3D printed parts, which was very difficult in former times. And so another startup we were in contact told us about DyeMansion and their technology. I think it was in 2018, and when we first got into talks, and you finished some samples for us and colored them, and that's how the collaboration started.
When you first decided to build products by 3D printing, what challenges were you facing?
In general, the surface finishing and the coloring with 3D printed products is very difficult because you've got a lot of parameters in the process which influence the results. Our product consists of different parts which are produced in different machines too. So getting the same color on all of these parts isn't that easy. And that's why we're working with DyeMansion to get this process in a reliable quality.
What technology of DyeMansion are you using?
Currently we are using the on-demand finishing of DyeMansion, and at the same time we are working with the color matching to develop several skin tones so we can offer individual colors to our patients.
So now you have to get the product certified so that it's ready for the market.
Yeah, exactly. So at the moment the surface finishing is at a point where it's got a high quality, and we are going into the last certifications of our product with your colors and technology. At this point the proven biocompatibility of your colors is helping us a lot.
What is the biggest benefit you were able to reach by using 3D printing technologies?
In the past, individual made products were always made by hand, which took a lot of time, had various standards of quality and was very expensive. So 3D printing and the surface finishing process of DyeMansion helps us to get industrial standard quality products, even with quantity 1, in a profitable way. Every orthosis in the future will be a quantity 1 product because it's 100% fit on the patient's anatomy.
Thank you very much for the interesting insights. We're happy to support another startup with such an interesting application, and we wish you all the best for the future.
Thank you.